We
have condemned this incident. The nation is first, and everybody is next. But we have to unite for this, whatever the attack has happened. The nation should together fight with all terrorism activities. We have to condemn. In future, we have to protect our citizens. Each and every person's life is very important, so we have to protect it.
So how big the intelligence failure is?
I don't want to comment on this situation. Government has to take serious steps on this issue. I think already Prime Minister and Home Minister is having a serious meetings with Intelligence Department and other departments and things. But everybody should support that. Congress Party is supporting whatever the decision government is going to take. We are supporting.
Sir, yesterday central government took some diplomatic decisions.
Yeah, whatever
So do
decision.
you think that those are going to work?
That will not work. Actually, that will not work. Whatever the decisions they have to take, we are all support the government.
Okay, sir.